Introduction of Tux Paint. MS Paint is not the only software that helps us to make drawings. We can also paint using a program called Tux Paint. Tux Paint is an open-source, free drawing software that can be downloaded from the internet. It is extremely simple to use and has a lot of interesting features to make the drawing as a fun experience for young children. Children also enjoy the funny sound effects that are played when tools are selected and used. Downloading Tux Paint. You can download Tux Paint to your computer by going to your web browser and typing the link http://www.tuxpaint.org/download/. Step 1. Click on Download option. Step 2. Choose your operating system. We have chosen the first option as we have Windows 10 installed on our computer. Step 3. Click on Tux Paint and Tux Paint Config. Tux Paint 0.9.21c on the web page that appears. Download will start and small rectangular box with name Tux Paint -0.9.22-win.exe will appear on the bottom left side on the computer. Step 4. When the download is completed, double-click on this box. A user account control dialog box will appear. Step 5. The program will ask for your permission to install Tux Paint in your computer. Click Yes and follow the instructions that appear during installation. Step 6. Click Next every time they ask. Then Tux software will be installed on your computer. Now, you will be able to see Tux Paint software on your desktop. The program will also be present in the Start menu after installation. Opening Tux Paint. Once you have installed Tux Paint on your computer, you can open and use it anytime. Click on the Tux Paint icon on the desktop or click on Start Tux Paint. Tux Paint title screen will appear on the screen. It takes a while before the main screen opens. You can also open the main screen instantly by clicking on this screen. Tux Paint window opens, which looks like this: Toolbar, Selector, Drawing Area, Color Palette, Help Area. These are the main parts of Tux Paint main screen. Toolbar. To the left of Tux Paint window is the toolbar. The toolbar contains all the tools that are required to make drawings and add various effects to the drawings. You can find 6 drawing tools, namely Paint Tool, Lines Tool, Shapes Tool, Text Tool, Magic Tool, Eraser Tool, and 6 control tools such as Redo, Undo, and New, Open, and Save File. Drawing Area. This is the blank area where we make our drawings. Selector. To the right of the Tux Paint window is the Selector bar. It displays different menus depending on the tool you select from the toolbar. Give it a try. Select the paint tool from the toolbar. You will see the selector displays various thicknesses and shapes of brushes. Similarly, when you select Shapes tool, various shapes will appear in the selector menu. Color palette. The bottom of the screen is the color palette, which allows you to fill various bright colors to your drawings and shapes. Help area. Help area is present below the color palette. You can see the penguin in this area. That will give you the tips about Tux Paint program from time to time. Create a drawing. Click on the drawing tools one by one and try drawing on the drawing area or canvas by dragging and dropping the mouse. In this drawing, we have used the paint tool with a thin brush. Pick a color and a brush shape to draw with. Save a drawing. After you have finished drawing, save it by clicking on Save button in the toolbar. It will be saved in the computer. Open a saved drawing. A saved file can be opened in Tux Paint at any time. Clicking on Open button in the toolbar brings you to a screen where you can see thumbnails of all the saved drawings. Click on the file you want to open. You can also erase any drawing by selecting it and then pressing Erase button at the bottom of the screen. Open a new file. Step 1. Click on New button. Pick a color or picture with which to start a new drawing. Step 2. A screen appears where you can choose a solid color as a background for your new drawing. Step 3. To use a starter image as your background, click on the arrow at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Choose from the host of backgrounds or starter images and click on Open. Pick a color or picture with which to start a new drawing. Step 5. A dialog box appears that asks you whether you want to save the previous drawing. Click on Yes or No. New drawing opens. Print a drawing. Step 1. Click on Print button. Step 2. A dialog box appears that asks you whether you want to print the drawing. Click on Yes or No. The drawing will be printed. Ensure that the printer is connected and switched on before giving a print command. Close Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on Quit button. Step 2. A dialog box appears that asks you whether you want to quit the drawing. Click on Yes. You can also press Escape key to quit Tux Paint or click on Close button. Now, you will exit from the Tux Paint.